everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So we are already on day 3 of Navratri makeup look series and the color is royal blue. So as you can see, I have tried to create a blue smoky eyes look with glitters. So if you want to know how did I create this look, you have to watch this video till end and stay tuned for more upcoming looks in this Navratri season. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So my Indian style greeting for all my viewers who is watching this series. So I'm going to start with moisturizing my face. I'm going to use this Pond's Gel Moisturizer. Must say a really good moisturizer for oily skin. Now I'm going to use a concealer from Show Cosmetics and the shade is 45. I'm going to apply on my eyelids and I'm going to conceal my eyelids and making it ready for eye makeup. Let's move on to eye makeup, and for that I'm going to use this palette from Show Cosmetics 02 Warrior. I'm selecting this brown shade and I'm using this brown shade as transition color for my dark smoky eyes makeup look, and I'm applying that color on my crease area and on the outer V of my eyes and really blending well into my eyelids. So after that I'm going to select this black shade from the same eyeshadow palette and I'm only going to apply, mostly I'm dabbing it on my outer V of my eyelids very gently and carefully. Over here, like, I was having second thoughts of this eye look when I saw that black eye color was way too pigmented and I was really confused at this moment. So yeah, let's see how this look turns out. Now I'm going to select this blue color from Manish Malhotra palette from My Glam, and first I'm going to apply this pigmented blue color with help of my fingers, and afterwards I'm going to gently start to blend this blue color with the previous black shade so that there won't be any harsh lines. So this makeup is quite messy, so I'm cleaning up the mess with help of makeup remover and the cotton pad. Again, I'm using the same palette of Manish Malhotra and I'm selecting this shimmer shade and I'm going to apply it on my inner corners. Now here comes the glitters. I'm using this blue glitter from Swiss Beauty glitter palette and I'm again applying that glitter with help of my fingers. Here is me again cleaning the mess of glitters. This is really a messy look. Now I'm going to use this Mars Illuminate base. I must say this base from Mars is so good. It really adds a glow to your skin, and also the glow is of pink tint as you can see it on my forehead. Again, now I'm going to use this BB cream from Mars, and this BB cream is amazing. It's so light, it doesn't feel heavy at all when you apply on your face. And first I'm applying using this brush, like spreading it evenly all over my face and then dabbing it to remove excess from my face with help of beauty blender. So now I'm going to use the same concealer. This is the light shade concealer from my skin tone, so I'm highlighting my under eye area. As today I don't think there is need of concealing my under eyes because the BB cream has done a really good job. So now I'm going to use this banana powder from Show Cosmetics, and the reason that I'm using this is because I sweat a lot and after sweating my face turns really oily. So to avoid that, I'm using this powder. First I have applied it on my face, then I'm dusting off this powder with help of this brush. Now I'm going to use this blush from Show Cosmetics and the shade is Peach Peak, and I really love this blush and how it looks on my cheeks. It looks really natural. So already my face is glowing a lot, but still I want to add more glow, and I'm going to use this highlighter from Show Cosmetics. This is the Champion highlighter, and I'm going to apply this highlighter on high points of my face, and this is how I'm doing. I like to do actually. First I apply with help of brush, then I like to dab it gently with my fingers so that I get rid of excess product from my face. So here comes an amazing twist. Instead of using black kajal, I'm going to use blue kajal on my lower waterline. Let's finish this eye makeup with adding some mascara, and I'm applying this mascara on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes, as you can see in this video. In today's video, I'm again going to use two lipsticks. One is from Sugar and the shade is Bandit Caffeine. Another one is from Just Herb and the shade is Plum Rose. So first, as you can see, I'm lining my lips with help of this brown lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, and then I'm going to fill my lips with this pink nude color from Just Herbs. I must say, I really love this lip combo, which really gives me a fuller looking lips, but nude at the same time. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys love and enjoy this video. If you do like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on this video and do let me know whether you're going to try this look or not. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification just beside it so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. And guys, don't you forget that there will be more looks coming up for this Navratri season dedicated to particular color of this festival. So stay tuned and keep loving my channel. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Till then, bye.